Forgotten username recovery failed on Truebill Fix. You try to log into Truebill, click Forgot Username, and suddenly, the recovery fails. The system says it can't find your account. You might think it's a glitch, but here's the surprising truth. Truebill no longer exists as Truebill. It's now Rocket Money, after being rebranded by Rocket Companies. That means if you're trying to recover your username using the old Truebill app or website, it simply won't work. The old login system has been replaced by Rocket Money's unified platform. But don't worry, your account and data are still there. Here's how to fix it. Go to the Rocket Money website or download the Rocket Money app. Then tap sign in and enter the same email address you originally used on Truebill. Your account should sync automatically under Rocket Money. If you're not sure which email you used, search your inbox for old Truebill receipts or subscription alerts. The to address on those messages is the one connected to your account. Still can't log in? Try tapping Forgot Password instead of Forgot Username. Rocket Money only uses email addresses for sign-in now, so your old Truebill username isn't needed anymore. If that still doesn't work, reach out to Rocket Money's support team. Provide your full name, your possible email addresses, and any subscription details you remember. They'll help recover your access manually. Most people get stuck because they're trying to use outdated Truebill links. But once you switch to Rocket Money, everything works normally again: your data, your subscriptions, even your budgeting history. So don't stress if your username recovery on Truebill fails. The fix is simple. Log into Rocket Money using your old email, and you'll be back in control of your finances in minutes.